This trail comes highly recommended for its beauty and its historical significance. It is also ranked as a very strenuous trail. It is short, but strenuous. And all reports online back up this claim. The trail starts out relatively easy, deceptively so. But it quickly does get steeper and steeper, and it turns into a rock scramble that is almost straight down. Luckily, the rock scramble is relatively short, but I was very happy to have my trekking poles with me for added stability. Once you move past the rock scramble, the trail does continue downward through some steep switchbacks. Now this trail will eventually intersect with the Kaymoor Trail, and the Kaymoor Trail actually will take you from the bottom of the gorge to the top of the gorge. And unfortunately, part of that trail is closed due to a rock slide, but the trail in this area is still available and open. And I would highly recommend walking on this trail in both directions a little ways, because on this shelf on the side of the mountain, there are abandoned buildings that were all mine buildings. It's not over though. At that Kaymoor Trail, there are a series of steps that go down the side of the mountain. There are 821 steps to be exact. And if you take them down and down and down further, you will get to the lower part of this area. Now there are a lot of neat things to see along the way, such as a water tower and a cap house, and you can even see the old rails of the cars of how they moved people and machinery up and down the side of the mountain. Once you are at the bottom, spend some time to explore the area. There are buildings, there are rails, there are abandoned things everywhere down there. Now after you're done exploring, you do have to climb back up those steps. You can call them the stairs of misery if you like, because you do have to climb back up them. There are 821 steps, and that should be the equivalent of about a 42-floor skyrise. You can see that they do have sections to make it easier to stop. Once you get back to the Kaymoor Trail, I went ahead and took a little bit of time to relax and rest a little bit, because I knew that I still had to go up that other portion of the trail. On the way back up, the rock scramble seemed a little bit easier. We were still happy to get out of that section though and get back to an easier area to hike. Overall, this hike was excellent. It was a great workout. It was full of history. And we immediately decided that if time permitted on this trip, that we would redo this hike. And if not, it will be the first hike we do when we return. This hike was fabulous.